Before you begin, make sure you're wearing safety glasses and gloves. If you're using a rotary grinder, hearing protection and a long-sleeve shirt are also recommended. If the damage is closer to the chain side, you can repair it using these steps. Remove the sleeve cap using a pair of vice grips or pliers. Trim back the sleeving to your desired length. Trim back the cable if needed. Then reattach the sleeve cap and secure any chains or accessories. If the damage is closer to the motor side, use these following steps to repair or replace the cable on your SpeedCut Mini. Here are the tools you'll need: a 1/8 Allen key, a crescent wrench, pipe cutters or a sharp knife, and a rotary grinder. First, unplug the power cord. Then, unplug the air foot pedal. Remove any attachments or chains you may have on the end of your SpeedCut Mini. Pull out the entire cable until you get to the final coil. Next, loosen the 6 set screws on the clutch using the 1/8 Allen key, and remove the cable from the clutch. Remove the sleeve cap on the motor/clutch side end by using the crescent wrench and threading to the left. Now pull the entire length of cable out straight. Make sure there are no loops or kinks in the cable. Now check the cable for damage. The semi-transparent sleeve should help you see any issues. If not, pull cable from the motor/clutch side to reveal a visible gap between the snap. Still can't find the damage? Use a magnet. The magnet will not stick to sleeving without cable inside and will stop when it reaches usable cable. On the motor side, trim the sleeving to reveal 2 to 3 inches of cable. Make sure the cut is clean and even. If the steel rope is frayed or the cable has any burrs, trim a little more until the end is smooth. If you're using a rotary grinder, make sure that you're in a well-ventilated area and away from flammable materials. Reconfirm length of exposed cable on the motor side end at 2 to 3 inches. Now we're ready to reinstall the cable. Feed the cable between the first and second post spacing. Pull enough through to reattach the sleeve cap. Thread it on by hand and tighten further with a crescent wrench if necessary. Push the cable into the clutch until it is seated entirely. Tighten all 6 set screws on the clutch using the 1/8 Allen key. Install the entire length of the cable back into the drum. Ensure there are no clothes, loose items, or hair near the chain side or motor side connections, and remove any chains or accessories at the end of the cable. Now plug in the power cord and air foot pedal. Press your foot on the air foot pedal to turn on the machine and make sure it runs smoothly.